with me, Neeti Taylor. And firstly, I want to thank you all for showering so much love to the trolling and bullying episode. I am so overwhelmed with the response that I got, with the DMs, with the comments, everything. I'm so glad. So thank you guys so much that you appreciated it. And here I am talking about a new topic today. So like I read all the comments, so a lot of you have also DM'd me a lot of situations that you guys have faced, and I thought कि आज के topic के लिए let me talk about friendship. So like I think this is a very important topic and a lot of situations were told to me. तो मैंने बोला कि चलो let me discuss this and ease someone's pain, किसी ना किसी का pain if I could do that. So what is friendship? A bond between two people who like sharing and like caring, like spending time with each other. And if someone asks me what is a friend to me or what does friendship mean to me, I would always say that friendship is a very pure term where I can be myself 100% and I won't be judged, and I can share anything and have the craziest fun. So I think that is friendship for me. So you guys have to comment ki what does friendship mean to you. So please comment. I read everything. So do let me know. And sorry for my crazy hair because it just had a bath, so it's just drying. So a lot of us have chuddy buddy friends. We have school friends, college friends, office friends, all kinds of friends, best friends, not so best friends, going on friends, party friends, all these kind of things. So there are a lot of us who don't have friends also. So if you see someone who's always alone, trying to adjust wherever they are, and they don't seem to be that involved, just try and go and speak to them. Why not? I think you should do that. Also, there are a lot of people who have written to me, who have written ki they've just stopped talking to us, they don't talk to us anymore. I don't know what I've done. ऐसे ही बात करना बंद कर लिया, for a very silly reason or for no reason that they do not know. So I would just tell you guys that if they are your dear and near friends and if they really care for you, firstly, they will not leave you. Secondly, if they stop talking to you, they will give you a reason why they've not. So those are not your real friends. Friends don't leave each other for stupid reasons or for any reasons or for no reasons. Just because they've shifted to a new school or just because they're doing something better or for any reason, they do not leave. They will not leave you for anything. They're not called friends. So, those of you who are writing to me, I want to tell you कि आपके ये दोस्त नहीं हैं. So don't put too much heat to it. Just let them go because they're toxic people. They're only sucking out all the bad things. So you should have people in your life who uplift you, who bring you up, who want to see good in you, who want you to do good, who are proud of you, who just want good for you, basically. Not people who are jealous of you. And I think nowadays ki generation mein jealousy is such a big thing. Like, let's get jealous. Oh, she's doing so well, so let me be jealous. Oh, she's got this. Oh, how does she get this? She's not fit for this. She's not fit for that. This happens a lot. I think I'm gonna give my experience. Jealousy has been a part of my life since I was in 7th or 8th. I don't know why. If that person likes me, where is it my fault? Like, I remember school mein, so like I told you about my bullying days. These girls have literally written my name, my number and my name, on the walls and done things like that. That's what I'm saying. Ki, what kind of friends are these? मैंने कुछ किया. If I would have given barawa to any of it or given, done something, I accept it. But what did I do? So you'll meet such kind of people. And also remember, the world is full of all kinds of people. All kinds of people make the world. So you are going to meet a lot of people. They are going to, either you're going to experience all different things with each one of them. Every person is different and you're going to have a story with each one of them differently, and everybody is going to teach you something or the other. So always remember, learn from it. Either it's a good lesson or a bad lesson, so learn from it and always move on in life. If something bad has happened, just keep it there, because you can't do anything about it. You can't fix it. You can't go back and fix it. If you can, yes, okay, but I think you should just leave it. If some things don't work out, it's for a reason. And also trust me, good things do happen. Give it some time. अगर कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है तो let them be. You're not going to, nothing is going to happen to you, because in life sometimes, like I'll give you this lockdown incident. Now so many of us are alone without our family, without our friends. You can't go out, you can't do things. This quarantine has actually taught you how to enjoy your own company. What video calls are like saviors, but sometimes network. अभी I know so many of my friends इनके घर पे network, internet नहीं है, light नहीं है. People are still surviving, right? You are, and I think you should start enjoying your own company. You should be your own best friend. It's very, very, very important. Because कभी आपको मूवी जाना हो और कोई busy हो, somebody is just genuinely busy, then what do? You don't watch a movie, you wait for them to get free. No, you can still watch a movie, you can still enjoy yourself. That's what I'm saying. You should start enjoying your own company. Don't be so dependent on others for happiness. You can be your own happy, and you can do your things the way you like it, your way. Always remember that. Don't be dependent. Friends are very important. I'm not disagreeing on that, but also itna bhi depend mat ho ki you can't do anything without them, and if they get busy or if they go somewhere or something happens, you are like, I can't live, I can't do this, I can't do that. Because I read so many messages and I am just like, why are these girls writing this? Like, why? Life may, there'll be bigger things that will happen. How will you deal with that when this has come? I know experience teaches you a lot, so that's what I'm saying ki experience will teach you. A lot of people will come your way, some for like a short while, some for the longest time. Every person in your life will teach you something new, so learn from that and make sure you don't repeat it. And we are human beings, we tend to make mistakes again and again and repeat it. It's fine, but be a strong person. And also, if you see someone who is struggling in life or is very quiet, just be there for them. I always would say that. And अगर आप लोगों को लगता है कि I am मैं क्या friendship के बारे में बोलूँगी, my friends are so cool, our life is so amazing. No, we all have problems. We all deal with our problems. I have had friends. I think you guys have been with me in my journey. I've had friends where I'm like clicking 100 pictures and the next day we're unfollowing each other and blocking each other. It happens with all of us. We are all humans. It does. And I have been taken for a ride. I have been taken for granted. I have been used. Now, used is not only for money. I would want to say that. You can use a person emotionally, mentally, all these other ways. So yes, I have been used emotionally, mentally, money-wise. Yes, a lot of them have happened. But वही मैंने सीखा है कि yes, give your 100% in friendship, but don't go and give 200% when you're not getting anything. Be the better person. I always say that. Be the better person and do well. Be nice, but also open your eyes and be aware ki see if the other person is not benefiting from everything that you're doing. Friendship is give and take. You be a better person. I'm not denying that. But also see कि आपको कोई for granted नहीं ले रहा है, सिर्फ benefit निकाल रहा है आपसे. It's very important to be aware, and it's very important to have a communication with the person. Like if you're angry about someone, don't just ignore it and make them think कि उनको पता चल जाएगा. They will feel what is going on in my heart. They will never feel that, and trust me on that. I have been through it till date. I also, I'm like, अब तो इतने साल हो गए, understand that I have felt bad about something. It's never going to happen. They will never understand. You have to open your mouth and you have to tell them. And if they still don't understand, open your eyes, girl. Open your eyes. They're not going to understand what you want to say. So just let it go. Be the better person. And then you know where you have to draw a line. I think that's very important. Be it any person. You just need to know if they're benefiting from you. Open your eyes. Please know that they are doing something. They are hurting you. Tell them that they are hurting you. Just be normal. And I think guys just need to communicate and be aware, because nowadays the world is becoming a crazy place with crazy people and all sorts of people. life is a roller coaster. You're going to meet lots of people and it's fun, it's sad. You are going to have your ups and downs. You're going to cry, you're going to laugh, you're going to have sleepless nights, you're going to, you're going to have so many emotions. But enjoy every emotion because it's not going to come back. Also, sometimes it comes back. But make sure you learn from it and don't let anyone take you for granted. I think we all should learn that. Like, you should know ki when that person should draw a line ki bhai apni, now I can't take it, now this is enough. You should have that in you. So many of you who have messaged me, if those people aren't talking to you, let them not. I am telling you, it's good that they have gone away, because if there's such toxic people who are making you go through so many emotions, because a friend will understand you. If they stop talking to you, they will know what you're going to feel and what you're going to go through. So they're not true friends. So I'm just telling you that. Let them go. If they have to come back in life, if they're true friends, they will surely come back. And also, ask them. If they're not answering to you, if they're not telling you why they stopped talking, or if they're giving you a very silly reasons, trust me, it's better. It's for the better. Jaane do, java de. Sorry, Gujarati was trying to talk. But just leave it. It's fine. It's really cool to just be away from all these things. And always, my sister has taught me this. Always remember, be a friend you never had. Always. Be there. See, we all go through it. Sometimes our friends are rude, they take us for granted, do this and that. Like, I'll tell you, till date, it's not, I don't have friends who don't do that. I do have, like, even people who, I work with and all. Because I feel I have such a sweet nature that after some time, they forget that I'm also human. They just say anything, they'll ignore. Like, if I message, something, मेरा झट से reply आ जाता है कि oh, I'll do this, I'll do that. When I reply, for the silliest things or for the smallest or even big things, I have to keep calling, keep messaging. I'm like, what is this? And when they ask me for anything, I'm always right there. And then they're like, oh, you're the sweetest, you're this. But my question is, why can't you do the same for me? Why can't? Like, I am there at any given point of time. On call, on message, or like even physically available for, a lot of my friends. But in return, I don't get so much. But then that's what this is my funda in life. This is what I follow because my sisters taught me that. Be a friend you never had. So if they're doing this to you, doesn't mean that you take a step back and you're like, nahi, ye nahi hai. No, now I know where to draw a line where I just, no, I can't do this, I can't do that. I'm also learning. Every day is new for everybody. Every friendship is different and things do happen. They do. But वही मैं भी सीख रही हूँ, आप भी सीखो. लाइफ में बहुत कुछ होने वाला है. Just know when to draw a line, when to say no, when to say this is it, I can't take it. And you should also know when to walk away. It's very, very important. Please surround yourself with good people. It's very important, especially at this time, or this like the century we are in. It's very important to have good people, because when you're in bad influence, you don't realize you end up doing a lot of stupid and silly things and bad things. And good people lift you high. They, you have fun, kind of fun and all, but they're not doing anything bad that you also start. They don't influence you in a bad way. So it's very important to have good circle. So this is it. I hope I gave some strength to somebody, and you all have messaged me a lot, so I hope I could help someone. And we all go through this together. I also do this every day. So we all are still at a learning stage. कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है. But just remember where to draw a line. And be a friend that you never had. Always remember that. No matter what happens, just be you and always be the bigger person. Always. It will hurt you, it will kill you, you will cry, you will have sleepless nights. But at the end of the day, after a few months, after a year, when you look back, you'll be like, I'm glad I did this. Even when somebody was mean to me, I'm glad I just, was a bigger person. It makes a difference in life. So I remember this always. So I hope this helps someone or the other, but I'll be back soon with a lot more topics. And also, People who judge you, just stay away from them. Please, friends never judge anyone. Even if you're doing something wrong, they will tell you कि this path is wrong. तू ये गलत कर रही है या कर रहा है. Don't do this. They will guide you to do the right things. We all make silly mistakes. We all do wrong things. But a friend who is your genuine friend will not be like, oh my god, why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? People who judge you now, please just stay 100 meters away from them. Or kilometers away from them. Like I would say that. Don't. Just stay far away from such people who are so judging and always so judgmental. Stay away. That's one warning I want to give you. When people start judging, push them away. One rule in life. So yes, this is it. So I hope you liked this episode. If you did, please like, share, comment, and also let me know more topics. I'm reading all your messages, and don't worry, we all are in this together. And anything more, you all can DM me. I'm reading it all. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Spread the word, guys. Lots of